I'm Hunter Dayakade, and I will show you how to use a virtual machine on the Windows 7 computer. This Now, I have two virtual machines, one for Oracle VM VirtualBox and the one I'm currently working right now, VMware Workstation. Now, if you're using a virtual machine, it's basically the purpose of using the virtual machine is to basically use the other versions of Windows or even use a Mac all on the same Windows 7 computer. What I'm going to show you right now is how to get a virtual machine. First of all, I have to open up my internet browser, wait for it to load up. Sorry, it's a very slow computer. Okay, now once the browser opens up, try and go to VMware.com. Now here is where you're going to download the VMware Workstation. However, in order for you to actually get it, you're going to have to register first. Yeah, once you log in, you will have the ability to download the VMware Workstation. It was at the support and downloads, and I clicked on VMware Workstation right here. Now, if you try to use the workstation, you're going to be on trial, so make sure that you have an account and then download it. Okay, I can't log in because I haven't been here in a while, but you get the idea. Let's exit out. Now, once you have the VMware Workstation downloaded after having an account, you are going to have the full program of the VMware Workstation. Okay, now, once you have that loaded up, let's do that. Once you have that loaded up, you're going to have to have another type of Windows Windows application like Windows XP or Windows 98, 8 having the full CD actually in order for you to get a virtual machine. I did the Windows XP Professional earlier, and if you want to make a new virtual machine, here's how you do it. Create new virtual machine. Now, usually go to typical. You would get an ISO file or the installer disk in which I actually have the Windows XP CD. Sorry about the long wait, I had to get the CD. See, there it is. The Windows XP Professional has been detected. It's going to use the easy install. I had the product key before, but I didn't have it. But once you once you once you have that, you would make a virtual machine name, like Windows XP Professional or any way you want it. Then click next, and then go to and then choose how many gigabytes you're going to use, but be careful. The number of gigabytes that you're going to use will be affected on your main computer, so be aware of that. Also, to store virtual disk as a single file. Alright, once you have finished all of that, the VMware will create the virtual machine for you. But since I already created it, I'm going to cancel it. Now, once you have made your virtual machine, you can edit the virtual machine settings. Now, the recommended memory was 512 megabytes since it's a Windows XP in that area. But from one of my other teachers, Dr. Escobar, recommended me to use 1 gigabyte because 512 megabytes is slow to him. We already got one processor, so that shouldn't be hard. The hard disk and the CD and the floppy and the USB are all already detected from the main computer, so you shouldn't have anything to worry about that. Also, the printer. You can also install printers all in the virtual machine as well, and many programs as well. Now, I'm going to turn on the virtual machine and see how it all goes out. And as the virtual machine boots up, it's also going to detect it from the main computer. It will also be used here as well.